Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome. Let's have some beer. It's warm. What is this?
This is salty water, which is very cold. But didn't freeze yet. It's like minus 17 degrees water. How is that possible? Add a lot of salt. Now let's check that warm beer. That warm beer is plus 18 degrees. Luckily we have this drill here. This is a cork. Put the cork inside here. We put it into the ice water and we slowly turn it. How cool is that? It was like 1 minute. (7°C, 6 degrees Celsius. The optimal beer drinking temperature is between 4 and 8 degrees Celsius. Salty on the top, cold in the middle. Delicious in the end.